Hello and welcome to Anastasia Tarot and Vedic Astrology, your cosmic compass at the intersection of fate and free will. In this channel, I'll help you explore tarot, astrology, numerology, and Ayurveda. We'll get into the ancient connections between Vedic and Western wisdom and how these profoundly healing modalities support your soul's growth and spiritual evolution. If you're interested in Vedic astrology and how to harmonize your life with the prevailing planets, stars, and asterisms, check out the Cosmic Weather Report playlist, where I post monthly Vedic astrology forecasts, as well as astrology predictions for important asterisms like eclipses and planetary alignments. If you're new to astrology or want to learn how to add astrology to your tarot reading, visit the Learn Vedic Astrology playlist for Vedic Astrology Tutorials for beginners. Tarot beginners, welcome to your fool's journey into wisdom. Check out the Learn Tarot playlist for tips and tricks I've picked up in 46 years of card reading, as well as tutorials on how to read tarot. Also, the upcoming Yoga of Tarot series will explore how to read tarot using Vedic astrology, numerology, and Ayurveda. Tarot lovers, check out the Tarot and Oracle decks playlist to see honest reviews of tarot and oracle decks that I use in my own practice. These reviews offer helpful insights to help you choose decks that are right for you. They're always honest and never sponsored. If you love vintage and historic tarot decks, check out the Vintage and Historic playlist, where we get into historic decks and reading styles. If you're wondering how to read those old school pip decks like Tarot and Tarot de Marseille, I'll be posting tips and tricks on how to read them. This is a new channel, so please comment on what videos you'd like to see. I post new videos weekly, so the channel is constantly growing and evolving. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and remember that your subscription helps make this content visible to other people who might enjoy it. Wishing you the blessings of good health, peace, prosperity, and wisdom. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.